If you're in India and wondering whether Helium 10 actually works for you, this video is exactly what you need. It's one of the most common questions new Amazon sellers ask. I'll explain how it works, who it's for, and whether it's worth using if you're based in India. Helium 10 is an all-in-one toolkit designed for Amazon sellers. It helps you find profitable products, research keywords, analyze competitors, optimize product listings, and grow your business. But many sellers in India wonder if they can actually use all these features without any restrictions. The short answer is yes. Helium 10 works in India. You can create an account, subscribe to any plan, and access all of its tools from anywhere in the country. As long as you have an internet connection and a valid payment method, you're good to go. Indian sellers mainly use Helium 10 in two ways. Some use it to sell on Amazon India and improve their local business. Others use it to research products and sell on Amazon USA or Amazon UK while operating from India. Helium 10 supports both approaches, so you can choose the marketplace that matches your business goals. If your focus is Amazon India, Helium 10 still provides valuable tools for keyword research, product research, and listing optimization. However, the biggest opportunity for many Indian sellers is selling on Amazon USA, where the customer base is much larger. That's the marketplace Helium 10 is especially known for supporting. Paying for Helium 10 from India is straightforward. You can use most international credit cards, debit cards, or other supported payment methods. Payments are processed in US dollars, so it's a good idea to check whether your bank charges any foreign transaction or currency conversion fees before subscribing. The platform is currently available in English, which works well for most Amazon sellers. If you ever need help, their support team is responsive and easy to reach. You'll also find thousands of Indian sellers sharing tips, tutorials, and real experiences in online communities, making it easier to learn from others. Are there any limitations? Not many. If you're selling only on Amazon India, some features and market data designed specifically for Amazon USA won't be as useful. But if you're planning to expand internationally, you'll have access to the tools you need without any major restriction. Here's a way to save some money. If you're planning to subscribe, you can get 35% off Helium 10 for your first 6 months by using the exclusive discount link in the description. That can save you a significant amount, especially when converted into Indian rupees. If you've been waiting to try Helium 10 because you weren't sure it worked in India, now you know. The platform works. Thousands of Indian sellers already use it, and if you're serious about building an Amazon business, it's definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to claim your discount before you sign up. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon selling tips, software reviews, and money-saving guides. And are you selling on Amazon India, or are you planning to target Amazon USA? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.